I'm here with Paul Butler from Rotec Engineering and Alistair, who's going to be looking after Paul, and the reason being is because Paul has just bought a new machine from Star. So Paul, what machine have you bought and why?
It's a SR20J. We bought it predominantly because we've got a huge influx of orders and they can deliver the machine on Wednesday, installing it at the weekend, so it'll be up and running in a week. And we've also already got two machines very similar, so it'll be a direct, it'll just be in and working instantly, basically.
Well, congratulations. Here's a little treat for you and a thank you for being on the stand. Now, Alistair, just before you go, Alistair, you're going to be looking after Paul, so what does the future hold?
The future's bright for Paul and his team. He's got a new factory, he's obviously taking this new machine, and hopefully we'll be supplying a lot more to him.
So I'm here with Lee Parnell from Interface Precision Engineering. Lee, why are you here on the Star stand?
Oh, I've come to see Star stand, see what's new, see what else is coming out, and just discuss with some of the guys some of the jobs we've just been doing for them.
So what's this then?
This is a job we've just completed. We used to do it in various operations, and now we're getting out in one operation straight off the machine.
So I'm here with Brian Bartlett from IMI Precision Engineering in Poole, and also Matt, who's one of the sales managers from Star. So why are we here?
Well, this gentleman wanted to come and thank me today, so I'll let him explain more.
Yeah, so I turned up today just to come along and see Matt and obviously have a look at the great machines that Star have on offer. They sold me a machine in October 2017. We had a few teething problems with all new machines that you install. We've overcome them very quickly with the support we had from Star. And what Star actually did was help us reduce our cycle times. We have some high volume products, so we needed to reduce our cycles. Typically they were 5 to 6 minute cycles. They've at least half those, and some of them they've taken 2/3 away.
I'm with Ashley Spears from Universal Fibre Optics. Now Ashley, you've got a couple of Star machines, don't you? How are you finding them?
Very good, yes. Yep.
So why do you enjoy using the Star machine?
User friendly, easy to use, they run 24/7.
I'm here with Andy Clark from Holley Model Engineering. Now Andy, you've got a story to tell me, haven't you?
I have, yes. 6 months ago I had a very bad motorcycle accident, and 2 weeks after I came out of hospital we had a brand new Star sliding head delivered, and it's been a bit of a mountain for us to climb as far as getting our head around it, but it's really revolutionised our bits and pieces we make for model steam locomotives.
So why is it revolutionised those?
We used to have a 30-year-old Star sliding head, and some of the components that we used to make used to take nearly 3 minutes to make, and we've just done a batch of the same components and we've got it down to 19 seconds.
So I'm sitting here, everybody here on this table has got a different job role, so I would like to quiz you and just find out how buying a Star maybe makes your life better, makes your job that little bit easier. So when I do, just mention your name and what you do. So Ian, starting with yourself.
Well, I'm the product director of product. Star has enabled us to make products which we had previously bought mainly from Asia. So we've repatriated a lot of product, and our first purchase has really been a remarkable success. So we're really pleased we're back for another one.
Brilliant. Well, today's the day. Next up, Dave.
David Foden, Engineering Team Leader.
And so how does the Star affect your job?
It's increased our production considerably, and it's making a lot more components that have come off finished as opposed to having a second operation.
Perfect, thank you.
Andrew Parkhouse, Operations Director.
And how does the Star affect your job?
Just the efficiency. I'm all about efficiency, so we can make products faster, quicker, more efficient, less cost.
That's exactly what you need. And Jake?
I run the Star.
And oh well, that's perfect. You run the Star, so I bet you've got quite an influence over the purchase of the machine.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah, 100%. And what do you think about when you run it? You know, when you're running the Star, do you like the machine? Is it user friendly?
Easy to use.
Okay, and next up, thank you, Jake. And next up is...
I'm Mark Vincent.
And Mark, so what's your job role?
I'm a product design engineer.
And why do you like the Star machine?
The Star, with our drawings from designs from our design team, from the drawing, the Star will make it into a very profitable piece of material.
That's exactly perfect. Thank you so much, all of you. And a massive congratulations, and enjoy your champagne. I think you will, won't you?
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.